traders. Here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning. Your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not investment advice. So this video is another Candlestick Psychology video based on those kind of concepts which I had explained in my ebook. Get this ebook. You'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame, any kind of financial instrument, and any kind of broker. So get this ebook. You'll find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. So I am entering here into a put above the closing price of the previous candle, like I have explained in the ebook. Yes, because I'm sure that price will be pushing down, because all those kind of wicks are showing me that we have here a strong resistance area. Yes, and that's the reason why I entered exactly on this level, because I'm sure that price will close below this and continuing the downtrend. Yes. Important here is that I entered above the closing price of the previous candle. That is what I had explained in the 7th edition of the ebook when I'm talking about the margin of safety. Yes, to be for the case that the candlestick will be a weak bullish candle, that you still get in the money also if you are you see that what nearly happens here. Yes, so and that is also explained in the 7th edition ebook. Yes, if you get after an evening star a weak candle with a bigger upper shadow, yes, you enter into a trend continuation. And here again, this time I entered above the closing price of the previous candle. Why above? Because I'm doing a put. Yes, that is the concept. If you are doing a put, you should try to get above the closing price of the previous candle. If you are doing a call, you do to try to enter below the closing price of the previous candle. That is it. Yes, and that two concepts, I will show you them after this trade, and that's the reason why they're working out, because they are proved. Yes, I have explained them by my experience. Yes, I have done this over and over again, those kind of trades. Here we have on candlestick math an evening star. Yes, after this evening star, we got this weak candle. Here I traded this on this level. Yes, and after this trend continuation, and here this was a win because I entered here at this level above the closing price of the previous candle. So let me show you this kind of concept. That concept makes also big part of the application process for the BOTT mentorship program, where I at the moment really included. Yes, that means that I'm really busy with the BOTT mentorship program. You see, I'm not able to do so many videos anymore. Yes, I hope as soon as I get a little bit more time, I can provide you with more of those kind of videos. But everything what you should know is based on the or is explained in the ebook. I will show you this. First of all, this concept here, and you see it's exactly like in the ebook. If it is not exactly like in the ebook, you have to use your brain and apply those kind of concepts on other concepts too. Yes, you see here evening star. Okay, weak candle with a bigger upper shadow. What's the next candle? Yes, exactly a put. Yes, so let me show you this. Here, let me show you this, so I do this kind of explanation here. So look, this is a bullish one. Then we get here opening price, here's a closing price, doji. Yes, doji. Yes, this is a evening doji star. Yes, then the next candle bearish one. Yes, so I entered here above the closing price. Why? I know that often these things are happening. Yes, that the next candle will most probably not always a bearish one. Why? Because we have here ranging market. Yes, it's almost ranging market. Yes, here you see ranging market, flat. Yes, and that was the reason. And after I saw this, yes, this one weak candle, what I have done after the price gone up, I entered into a trend continuation. Yes, and that was the concept which I have explained in the ebook here. Yes, let me show you this. Yes, in the ebook here, first of all, above the closing price here. Yes, you see above the closing price. It was here in a engulfing candle, but you can apply this also to the evening start, to every kind of candlestick. And then I have done this one here where I have explained what was it? Yes, exactly. That was first of all this one. This was the entry point, and then this one here where I told you to enter into a continuation. That is what I have done here in this kind of trades. So, okay, and obviously this kind of thing here, what I have explained in the ebook too, yes, where the movement, yes, on this candle here, on this candle, yes, I waited till price moved up, yes, move up because I want to do a put. So I waited that price moved up in the purchase time that the price will go down in the expiration time, and that was what happens here. Yes, price is gone down, but it didn't close at the bearish candle because we have ranging market. Yes, and that means consolidation area everywhere. Yes, that is what I have explained also in the live trading video. So that was already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye bye.